Here we have a Jeep Cherokee, and if you are looking to change out the fog light bulb, you're having an issue with that, it's a really great shot here. We've got the front bumper removed, but in reality all you would need to do is remove this inner fender. Once this inner fender well is removed, it'll give you access to this small little cover. Once you have this unscrewed, you'll be able to replace the bulb. There's a fog light, I believe one other light in here as well, and but this cover will give you access to all the bulbs in the fog light assembly on the Jeep Cherokee, and this is the newer model. So I just want to give you an idea what this looks like. Put the front bumper off, it gives you a lot better view of what you're getting into if you're going to want to replace these bulbs yourself. The passenger side is exactly the same, so you're just going to want to remove that inner fender well, and that'll give you access to the small cover here to replace those bulbs. So I hope this is helpful. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to post them below. Otherwise, thanks for guys. Good luck with your project and have a great day.